Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be going over where is debit card postal zip code on your Chase app. So this is going to come in handy in case, let's say, you accidentally forget which postal code or zip code you're actually is tied to your debit card or Chase credit card. So let's go ahead and get started. This is going to be a quick, short and sweet video. But with that being said, let's actually go ahead onto our Chase app, which is this blue and white icon that you see right over here. Now, once you're logged onto here, on the upper middle side, you're going to see this tab called Statements and Documents. So the way that we're actually going to go ahead and get our zip code or postal code that's attached to our checkings account is by actually checking our bank statements. So by checking our bank statements, Chase already gives you the zip code or postal code that's attached to your banking account. Now, if you don't see this Statements and Documents button, what you're actually going to do is click on this plus blue icon on the left-hand side under the date. And then what I actually did is that I have Statements and Documents as like a quick action added. So if I actually go ahead and remove that, notice how this Statements and Documents button is no longer there. But let's actually go ahead and re-add it back in. And then let's actually click on Statements and Documents. Now from here, you're going to see a series of different statements and documents. The one that we want to access is our statements. So go ahead and click on Statements. Now from here, you're going to see all your checkings and credit card account numbers. Now they're only going to be going over the last 4 digits. So go ahead and get the last 4 digits of the checkings account, for example, that you want the postal or zip code tied towards. So we're going to click on this first one here. And so Chase is only going to view up to the past 7 years of bank statements. So we're going to go ahead and click on the most recent bank statement and then click on Open as PDF. So now on the upper left hand side, what you're going to see is your name and address. So this, like I mentioned earlier before in the video, what you see here is the zip code or postal code that's attached to your debit card or checkings account number or credit card. So keep in mind that it's only the first 5 digits. The last 4 digits is just like a Chase identification code that you don't need to enter every time you actually do enter your debit card. So you're only going to keep in mind the last 5 digits. And so that is how to actually go ahead and find your debit card postal zip code. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.